Sister D's in the house. Watch your mouth.
And Zyla G, you know.
And who are you?
I don't, Judea.
Okay, this is my oldest granddaughter, guys. She wasn't here for the whole summer, but she's back. And they're doing they're trying snacks from Japan. So we're gonna get right into it.
Yep.
Hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday. So what y'all want to start with? The chips?
I want to start with
No, we're not starting with that.
Yeah, the chips.
Okay, so sit down. Show them what it is. It's shrimp chips. Shrimp chips. Baked shrimp chips.
Yeah. Yeah. I can try this.
The original wheat puff snacks.
How did you get down there? You flew? How did you flew down there? Oh my god. You're lying.
So Judea is my oldest grandchild, guys. She's my son's daughter. Jeez, I can't even get them up. Look at some scissors over there. Shout out to Prissy P for giving the stop it. Shout out to Prissy P for leaving a link in her description box to these snacks. I signed up. She has a go check her out, guys. She has a link, and you'll get. Ooh, they smell fishy. Smell it. Smell like shrimp, don't it?
Yeah.
You don't gotta eat all those. Give Zyla some, cause we only trying them. What it tastes like? Tastes good?
Shrimp.
It tastes like shrimp. You like them? You give them a thumbs up.
Good.
You like them, Zyla? Leave it. Oh, you want to show them? Oh, you can show them. You can show them what it looked like. Go on.
I'm giving them one bite.
Okay, she's giving y'all a bite. Zyla want to give y'all a bite. Go on, Zyla, give him a bite. You good at sharing. Up. There. You don't even got to put your hand there. Just give him a bite. Look like a French fry, guys. All right, y'all ready for the next one?
Mm-hmm.
We only got 5 snacks, guys, so it's gonna be a short thing. You want to try it, Naya?
I can't.
Oh, that's right. You can't eat shrimp. But I bet you there's no shrimp in it for real. I bet you there isn't. Oh, yes, there is. Sorry. This is fettuccine. Show 'em. Fettuccine something. Fettuccine gummies.
What is fettuccine?
Like coffee.
Ew, coffee? Fettuccine. Really?
Ooh, smell that.
Ooh. Hey.
Show them what it looks like, guys.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give you one.
Try it, dear.
Good.
You like it?
It's good.
Try it, dear.
It don't smell bad.
Does it taste like coffee? Well, y'all don't know what coffee tastes like. You like it?
Tastes like root beer.
Tastes like root beer?
I'm gonna save these.
Yeah.
Tastes like
I don't want to try that crap.
Oh,
Then we have some Boltan rice candy.
That one actually
so
don't
good.
taste bad at all.
I want another one of these.
Yeah.
I want one too. People, they love them.
Bolton rice candy.
Get one.
Did you show her?
Free children stickers inside of this, guys.
Stickers.
Did you show the friend?
You did, just did.
I did.
They don't want you to get into these.
This tastes so good.
Y'all really like those?
Y'all have no more.
So far, those was the best. Between that and the shrimp sticks.
Is the shrimp sticks good though?
Yes.
Yeah, nasty.
As soon as you open it, it smells like fish.
Like raw fish, but it don't taste like raw fish.
Now, this is a candy that you guys actually have to open up.
Oh my. Rice candy. Rice candy?
Look at my daughter in the background. Too. I got her hand open. Open it up and let them
Is
see
this hard
it.
candy? What's the flavor?
It's Boltan rice candy.
Rice? But stickers inside. Where?
I got the stickers right here. You get 1 sticker.
Aww. You mean none for me? Zyla, you can have it. Have it.
It
Yay.
might be another one. No, that's just 1 sticker.
Why is this paper so?
There's paper and there's more paper on top of it.
I can't even
Let me
get
see
it
it.
off. I can't get it off either.
Now I can open up that one for you and then.
That one's for
Yeah.
It's gonna taste nasty. Ooh, I think it's gonna taste
I can't
nasty.
get it open either. Where's it begin and what is it in?
Oh.
Here. Leave it.
Oh.
Don't try to do everything Dia do, please.
I was just reading it.
I don't know if this paper
This
is off.
feels
It
like
doesn't seem to be
gum.
off.
You can't even know that.
Guys, I can't even get the thing off.
You tried it already and it tastes nasty?
Dia, can you get that off? Oh, man. Don't try it. Wait for Zyla. I mean, yeah, wait for
You can
Zyla.
eat the paper.
You think you can?
I think so.
They don't say nothing about you can eat the paper.
Mom, you can't read
I can't read.
Japanese.
It ain't in Japanese.
Oh.
Mm.
You don't say nothing about eating the paper. Y'all trying it?
It's still good.
Oh, dude, you got yours open?
You like it? Try it. Bite it.
I didn't get mine on.
Okay, but bite what you can and the paper will come off.
You can eat the paper.
You can't eat the paper.
Oh, you can.
Oh, you can eat the paper.
The paper
It
is
dissolve.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Okay, then
Oh.
try it.
Let me eat mine.
Don't just eat what you got. Try the candy, please.
I need candy in this.
You like it? It's rice candy. What does it taste like?
like candy.
Like regular candy?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it fruity? I mean,
Yeah,
tell me what the
yeah.
taste.
But it's like no taste.
There's no taste to it?
It's just like sweet.
It's just straight sugar. Yeah, because it's made with corn syrup.
Now you like it?
Maybe corn syrup. Oh my god, I need something with corn syrup in it.
Look at my wine glass that I got at Dollar Tree. 99% chance of wine. Ain't that cute? I just wanted to show you. That's all. All right. Y'all want to try the cone next?
No.
You want to try green gum? No, this is gum. You got to do the gum last. You got to try this. Show them what that look like.
Let's try it.
It's like a cone cake. It should be interesting,
Oh, they're
guys.
nice.
Giant Caplico cone.
That candy's so good.
Oh my
I just
god.
swallowed the whole thing.
This don't look very appetizing.
Wait, let me see. Let me see. Oh my!
This is what it looks like, guys.
Wow.
It's a cone, but I don't know what that crap is on top of it.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, it's hard.
That crap is hard.
Just try that. See if you like it.
Oh my gosh, it's fine.
All right. Here's another piece. Oh, it's got like.
Chocolate. Yeah, it does got chocolate.
You want to try it?
How with the cone part? Just cut the bottom.
That tastes so good.
It does?
What does it taste like?
Oh, the cone got chocolate in it too, guys.
Mm.
Y'all want to try the cone
What
part?
is the top?
Yeah.
Give me a little piece of the top.
No, I don't.
It's strawberry. It tastes just like ice cream.
Cut the cone in half and then just let them have it.
In half.
No, like the long way.
It's gonna crumble.
Oh, it's not bad. It just tastes like ice cream.
Strawberry ice cream.
Oh, look. This is what it looks like inside.
That tastes good. That really do taste good.
You like it?
It tastes like chocolate ice cream.
Mm.
That's good.
Mm. Come on.
So what we have, we had strawberry. That was a strawberry caplico. That's what that. Fettuccine gummies. That was that.
That's my favorite.
We had gum by
Oh, we didn't have that.
Lottie. We didn't have this yet, but I'm gonna get him gum right now. And we have red candy
That
Boten Ame.
rice cake.
Rice candy by Bontan Ame.
And I have one of these gummies.
And we had the baked shrimp chips baked. So that was our snacks. The kids seemed to enjoy it, and my daughter even liked it. We're not gonna open up this gum because I don't want them to have gum. It ain't sugar free, so they don't need this right now. We're not gonna try it. Do you want to try it, Naya?
No, I'll try it.
That's enough candy.
Yeah, no.
And I'm cooking spaghetti and meatballs for dinner, guys.
And
I would have did a video on it, but they want to do a video
You
on
don't want
this.
to chop it in half after they finish their snacks?
Huh?
You don't want to break it in half?
Nope. They don't need that right now. They just had all them snacks.
So,
So I'll be getting one each month, guys.
what
So
do y'all think about Japan snacks?
pretty good.
yeah.
All right.
It's not bad, actually.
All right.
Least favorite.
Y'all have something to say to the camera? Say it before we sign out.
The gum is extremely minty. Minced up.
The gum is what?
Extremely minty.
Oh,
Stop.
okay, cool.
I have one of
I
these.
want another fettuccine.
I want the.
All right, guys, say bye.
Bye.
So have a great night.